Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today you can join me again for another Redbubble shop review. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to review your shop. This is for, sorry I can't really pronounce it, Ott from CG, who posted in one of my recent videos in the comment section if I could review this shop. And yeah, of course I like to do that. By the way, if you would like to get your shop reviewed, yeah, just let me know in the comment section. I'm very happy to do it. It always gives me an opportunity to learn as well, because I can focus on, you know, having a look at another shop, and maybe there are a few things I learn as well for myself, and I can at the same time share my learnings so that you will know what I think you could do differently, and basically, yeah, from what I learned as well. Bear in mind, I only started my Redbubble journey in November 2020. I've got around 6,000 designs now online on Redbubble, and I've made 11 sales. It took me a while to get sales. I think in the beginning it wasn't quite good how I did the positioning, but you know, obviously we are all learning, so I think that's now working well, and the most recent designs look really good that I upload, and I'm getting sales. So the last time, which was last week, when I did the last Redbubble shop review, I had 9 sales. Now I already have 11, so we're getting there, which is good. So I'm just want to tell you, you know, I'm not pretending to be an expert or guru here. I just document my journey. I'm learning, and every time I'm learning something, I try to share it here on this YouTube channel. But I don't want to spend too much time here on introducing everything. So let's go right into it. So the first thing, didn't have a closer look at this shop before this video, so actually I see this shop the first time. Now you have 1,539 designs online. You opened your shop in July 2020. So first of all, I think it's a decent amount of designs. You mentioned in your comment that you posted on my last video that you had 6 sales, which I think yeah, is quite realistic looking at the number of designs you have. 1,539 is quite good, I think, but I think you need to upload more if you want to get more sales. I've heard of many people that Redbubble sales aren't what they used to be, so many people have complained they get less traffic and less sales. And as I said, I've got around 6,000 designs online, and I've got 11 sales, and I started November 2020, so I started later than you. And I've got more sales, and I think I've got more sales because I uploaded more. That's what I want to tell you. Not necessarily want to say that my designs are better. I just want to let you know that the more you upload, because it's free to Redbubble, you know, the more sales you are going to make, you know, if the designs are at least a certain standard. So I achieve this by, for example, using Creative Fabrica. I'm using Canva. I'm using All Sunsets to get my graphics. I use Canva to get graphics as well, but to efficiently create a lot of designs, and then I use Flying Upload to upload 60 designs a day. And I do this because I work full time, so I can't really spend a lot of time on uploading. I also have a family, so I'm really struggling with time, but I've automated the process to a degree that during the week, I only spend like half an hour a day on print on demand, but I'm uploading 60 designs a day to Redbubble, you know, the same amount of designs to Society6 and Zazzle and so on, because I can use it, the uploader, to upload to all these designs at the same time. But all I want to say, you know, get more designs. I think the banner, you know, it's good. It shows people what they can expect, but I would recommend maybe have something a little bit more colorful, maybe with a background as well, because all it is just a white background with your designs, which is better than other banners I've seen, but maybe just as a recommendation, maybe just do something with maybe colorful background or something a little bit more colorful. Your logo, I'm not saying it makes a great difference or it matters a lot, but maybe because it's quite, I can't really see, is it you? I don't know, but maybe do something which, you know, maybe even a logo, or maybe just your face or something like that, you know. It's quite hard to see on a small logo like that if you have a person, so it's quite hard to see. I think if you want to, with your shop, you might think about having a brand, you know, maybe have the logo in a similar color as the banner or something like that. Just an idea. So what I like, you've got a featured collection, which is good. lovely, funny, witty. So apparently this is probably about having funny designs, right? And I think in terms of what the designs look like, I think they look quite good. You've got big, large text, you can straight away recognize what it is. Yeah, all in all, I think they're good designs. Just an idea, because they're all from different niches. I don't know if you may want to consider putting them into different categories or niches, but I guess maybe these are all your funny designs, and then you might have put the different niches into different collections here, which is good as well. So you've got some collections. I think on the last shop review, the last shop I reviewed didn't have collections. I've got some collections myself on my shop, but I haven't really put a lot of work into it. I created that, I think around January, February. So a lot of designs have been posted since. So I probably need to work on that myself on my own shop. But hey, yeah, I like that you definitely have some collections. Definitely good. So let's have a look at your designs generally. Now, what I always recommend is you've got your products on, you show them here on you show your designs on different products. Now, I don't know if that is intentional or if you just haven't selected, because you can, when you post a product, you can always select what type of product you want to put your design on. And I generally put all my designs in the thumbnail. I want to show them on the t-shirt. So you can actually select that. I don't know if, for example, it was intentional to have the mask here, maybe the duvet cover here, the sticker here, the bag here, the t-shirt here. So it's all different. I don't know if it might be worth saying, okay, as a standard, you always want to show your designs on a t-shirt, for example. Or maybe choose, which sometimes makes sense, maybe say most of the products should be on t-shirt, and then you have a few selected ones like these ones, which you might want to show on a sticker. So that's up to you, but just an idea, because products like these here, they don't sell that well, I think. Like the duvet cover here, I don't think that is something, that would sell that well. So you might want to put it on a t-shirt instead. I don't know. Maybe it was intentional. Maybe there is some intention behind it. It's just something you might want to consider. And let's have a look here. I've seen that you are scaling your designs out. This is exactly what I'm doing as well, which is really good. So I can't live without you, United Kingdom, and you've got Miami. I think it's a really good idea. That's how you can scale it and create a lot of designs with minimal effort. What I recommend is, because if someone's ordering this sticker, for example here with United Kingdom, you have actually 2 stickers. So I don't know if that is intentional or if you intended to have 1 sticker. You need to make sure, if you want to make sure that it's 1 sticker, you want to make sure that you put this not too far away from each other. So here you've put the text quite far away from these lines, which then Redbubble will then make 2 stickers out of it, right? That's, by the way, a good way to create sticker sets. If you create a sufficient distance between the different elements in your design, then you can actually create, for example, 5-6 stickers in one basically sticker element. So that will then allow somebody to buy a sticker set for a low price, which is what many people are looking for. I like this one, Trust Yourself. Watermelon season. Now, I'm not sure if this, I don't know if that's actually a niche somebody was looking for, but okay, maybe. So, I eat kisses. I can't live without you, China. Now here with this, you can actually, with this I can't live without you, China, you might want to consider actually choosing maybe cities even. I've had some success with cities, and there are city lists available online. So what I actually plan to do, I'm currently working on my website, my print-on-demand website, and as soon as I've got that, I will probably allow everybody, I will probably provide like these Excel sheets that I've created with all the cities and everything for free download. So that might be something interesting for you, because if you've got that, then you can easily scale your designs out. For example, with a tool like Canvas Titans, which automates the design process on Canva, for example. yeah, to be honest, there's not much to say here. I mean, I think your designs are decent. They're good designs. I think there are a few things to consider, like this again, can't wait for November 2024. Here again, you've got the distance is, I think, there's too much distance between the different elements. So it creates 1, 2, 3, 4 different stickers here. I think that was not intended. Then maybe consider your niches. I mean, Falmouth Harbor, I'm not sure with that photo how well that would be selling. What I see here is, for example, I'm on the verge of eating a burger. The text might be a bit small on this one, so it's something to make sure that maybe you want to make sure that in the future you make sure that on all the designs the text is definitely a little bit larger or has a certain size. I think these are all really good here. Here again on ungratefulness with a witch, I think the design is a bit too small. The text is a bit too small, the font size. And then let's have a final look actually how if you're putting your products on different or your designs on different products, which I always would recommend that you put your designs on as many products as you can. But it looks like that you're putting them on. Now I don't know, this only shows, have you put them only on t-shirts? On 90 plus, okay. No, it looks like you've put them on, you've put on all products or most products, which I always recommend. Let's have a look how you positioned it. It looks quite centered, I guess. You've even created the tapestry here. You've created a pattern, which is quite good. So you've actually done the work and you've actually, put the work into adapt your design to the different products, which is really good. Also here on the mug, you've made sure that it is a pattern. On the socks as well. So really good. I think you've done a lot of work here. I think you've done a lot of work here, which is good. Let's have a look at the tagging. Gaming is my second job. Big, flat, widescreen. All product tags. Now what? I'm just thinking about these tags here, if they are really that relevant to your design. So let's have a look. Gaming is my second job. Okay. Gaming is my second job. Big, flat, widescreen. Let's have a look how the design looked like. Oh, is that actually a flat screen TV? Yeah, it is. Okay. 4K. Okay. Video game, console, internet, TV, television. Okay, yeah, they are fairly relevant, I think, to the design. I think when I've got a gaming design, what I personally do, I mean, I don't know if it's actually working very well, but I always put in gaming, gamer. I want to make sure that if someone's looking for a gaming design, that you've really covered the main relevant tags, like definitely gaming, gamer, games, video games. So I want to make sure. So you might want to consider using a tag generator just to get some additional ideas maybe about more relevant tags. But besides that, I think it's a decent shop. I think you're using Placeit as it seems. I think I've seen this one here on Placeit before. But then again, I think Luna Luke, I'm not sure if that, who would be looking for that. I don't know what Luna Luke is. I don't know what it would mean. Or is it a design that you've scaled out? I don't know. But so generally, I think the designs you're creating, I think they're decent designs. I think you need to upload a little bit more. Maybe work on your banner. It's already quite good. I think it could be a bit more colorful. Maybe consider using another logo. Upload, definitely keep on uploading. Good work with the collections, I think. Good work with the featured collection as well. Maybe consider making, if you put a sticker there, make sure that the distance between the different elements is a bit smaller. And the last thing was maybe consider putting your designs always on the same product, or maybe only two products like stickers and t-shirts. I think if you've got something like this, where you've got the duvet cover here you've got the baby bodysuit, you've got a, I don't know, is that a greeting card? There you've got the t-shirt, there you've got the mask. You know, I try to make sure on my shop I've got it all on t-shirts, but maybe use stickers and t-shirts, you know, if you think that t-shirts is too boring. But I wouldn't recommend, my personal recommendation, I wouldn't recommend using like a duvet cover as thumbnail, or here the mask. You know, I don't know. I'd like to keep it simple. So I hope that was useful. I just see here that you've got a description as well, which is quite good, which doesn't seem to be a very boring or generic one. I think you've put some work into it, which is quite good as well. You've got 9 followers, which is quite decent as well. And you've had some designs favorited as well. So I think, again, all in all, quite good. I hope this review was useful. Again, if you would like to get your own shop reviewed as well, then let me know in the comment section. If you have any recommendations about these shop reviews as well, then let me know as well. And again, I hope it was useful. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.